Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you one of the best new tools I've found that is going to help you out tremendously on money saving and amazing entertainment. I highly recommend all of you start using this tool as it is one of the best things that has happened to the world of gaming so far. What I'm talking about, the GX Game Corner. The GX Game Corner comes alongside the download of Opera GX. And if you're a gamer and you're not on Opera GX, I really don't know what you are doing. So be sure to download it straight away, as we'll have multiple tutorials based on Opera GX itself. I've already explained the GX Cleaner and the GX Control, so be sure to check those videos out. Now we're going to be talking about the GX Corner. So as you can see, once we press on the GX Corner, we're brought to this page. And as you can see, it tells you everything gaming related, including release calendar of new games such as Crime Boss, Rockay City, Snailland, and Gripper. So multiple games that are going to be dropping soon. Alongside that, you can filter them by Windows, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, Mac, and all those different things. So once that is done, these are the GX game selections, the one it recommends you to play. And these are made by Opera GX itself. You can check them out if you want. From there, what I wanted to show you guys is the free games. This is going to be your best friend, as it shows you multiple free games every week and every day that you can download. For instance, Battlefield 2042, a pretty cool game, and you should be able to download it. So as you can see, that's really nice. Alongside that, this is like kind of a party type of, multiple player games. Then we have wildlife sightings. We have so many things, but the best thing I wanted to show you guys was the deals aggregator. It shows you the best deals in gaming. As you can see, 96% off on the Modern Warfare 2 Jack Link's DLC. Hearts of Iron V IV is 86% off. Resident Evil 4 is 29% off. Grand Theft Auto is 65% off, meaning you can get the game for $10, 10 euros. So that is a complete steal. And you can also see new upcoming and interesting things. So The Last of Us 1, Resident Evil 4 Remake, all these different games. It's honestly amazing. And you have all your gaming news at your disposal right here. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.